morning on a Monday. This is weird, but we just wanted to hop on here and let you guys know we are starting a new bike camping adventure. We are down at Cumberland, Maryland. Tomorrow we launch for our Great Allegheny Passage bike camping adventure.
Also known as the Gap.
The Gap. So it starts in, where does it start here?
Cumberland, Maryland, and then works its way through into Pennsylvania and ends 150 miles into Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. So,
Whee!
yeah, there's a lot of little campgrounds, hiker, biker campgrounds, just like we did the Katy Trail. If you saw our Katy Trail bikepacking trip recently in May, she's gonna be pulling Pistol in a trailer, and I'll be pulling all of our backpacking gear and Pistol's dog food and our food and
all the stuff.
All the stuff.
And the first 32 miles is going to be a climb coming out of Cumberland. And then from then on, it'll just be a slight downgrade the rest of the way into Pittsburgh. Now, depending on how things go, we may just turn around and come back. So this one's only 150 miles. The Katy Trail was, I think, 270 or 240 or something like that. So this is definitely shorter, and the weather is finally perfect. So we've just been kind of queued up down here, and tomorrow's our launch day. Now, due to editing and stuff, our social media and YouTube are typically a few weeks behind, which you'll see, even though we're on the trail, you'll be seeing some videos of our previous travels. However, if you do want to follow along in real time, I'll be posting, hopefully, depending on cell service, daily updates over on our Patreon page. So if you want to join us over there, you could catch up in real time.
Yeah, because we can't pack laptops and stuff for editing.
Oh, no.
So we just take a ton of footage, and then once the trip's over, she'll go through and just
deep dive into all of it.
Slowly go through it all, start making some videos of the trip and put those up. But we do lots of like just real short, real-time videos on the trail for Patreon and that sort of stuff. But yeah, I'm always excited, but a little bit nervous because like, okay, we're gonna park the van. We don't know how long because we don't really schedule and make reservations. We don't know how long it's going to take because it depends on things like, you know, how Pistol handles the dog trailer.
How I handle the dog trailer.
You know, things we might see on the way. They want to stop, and we don't want to just ride as hard and far as we can. We want to really enjoy the scenery. And I'm guessing around 4-ish days.
I think so. 4 days and then maybe 4 days back. We'll see how things go. Now, it looks like there's a lot of cool, like, trestle bridges we're going to be crossing, a lot of tunnels. One tunnel is almost a mile long.
Waterfalls.
So, waterfalls. It's just going to be so scenic. I'm very much looking forward to this.
And like the Katy Trail, we rode that. We had some weather issues. It took us 12 days to get one way because we had to get a hotel for 3 days in the middle because of the heat.
Yeah.
And you know, it was super record-setting heat when we did that trail. Right now, it's for the next 10-day forecast. It's looking low to mid 80s for a high and mid 50s for a low. So the afternoons will be warm, but hopefully we get most of the riding done in the cool mornings, and we'll see how it goes. But if we get to the other side, we may shuttle back. Just depends on what we feel like. And
yeah, we don't know.
If there's like, oh, let's go back and see these other things, we'll do that. If not, like, no real plan. Just we're gonna
kind of how we go through life. It's very fluid. We have 0 reservations, so we don't really know. But anyway, again, if you want to join us in real time, follow us on Patreon. The link is in the description box below. Otherwise, we'll see you in a few weeks as I get these videos up and going. Carry on.
Carry on.
For behind the scenes footage, extra content, and all our videos early release and ad-free, check out our Patreon page.
And check out our blog on our website, carryonvagabond.com.
Thanks again, and carry on.